I'm at 1344 Lincoln Green. This is a 2,700 square foot house, 3,200 if you count the double garage and the workshop right here. We're on a nice flat lot, RV parking, guest parking, and on a quiet cul-de-sac, close to everything, and look at the views here behind me. We're looking over to Perched Beach, which is one of the best views in Nanaimo. You're close to everything here, like a 10-minute walk and you're having coffee at the Drip on the seawall. You've got dog park and other pathways up, and you're in Linley Valley. The location is fantastic. You're pretty central to everything, yet you're really quite private right here. I mean, take a look at this view. What a spot. This is like morning coffee, evening glass of wine location. Come out here, you can enjoy this. This is the deck off the lower level, and again, great views, covered, nice low maintenance yard, and like we were talking about earlier, you could put a suite in this very easily. This would be the suite area, completely separate. All right, I'm in the steam shower downstairs. This is a fairly recent addition to the home here. They love it, they use it all the time. I'm not sure exactly how everything works here, but I know you can change the colors. We got blue and red lights here. I can think we can change it down. I just want to be cautious. Don't want to turn the shower on. I'm not really dressed for it. But it's got a speaker in it as well, speaker and music and lights and steam. Everything you need.